Hi and welcome to this Fabricville tutorial. Today we are going to speak about interfacing. Interfacing is a fabric used to reinforce and give shape or structure to your garment. There are different types and thicknesses of interfacing to use according to your objectives. Interfacing can be woven, non-woven, or knitted. Woven interfacing is perfect to use for a garment because it will behave like the main fabric. To use it, you'll need to respect the grain line of the interfacing and the main fabric. Non-woven interfacing is easier to place on the fabric because it can be cut in any direction, but sometimes it may look stiffer than the woven one. You'll prefer to use this for small pieces of the garment like collars and cuffs. Knitted interfacing is stretchy, so it's perfect for jersey and stretch fabrics. We can also distinguish interfacing by the way it can attach to the fabric. It can be stitched in or fusible. To fuse it on the fabric, you'll place the rough side of the interfacing on the wrong side of the fabric and press it with a hot iron, steamless and without sliding the iron. As not all fabrics can stand the heat of the iron, you can alternatively use a stitched-in interfacing. Just place a piece of interfacing on the wrong side of the fabric, pin it, and stitch it in the seam allowance. I hope this video will help you to find and use the interfacing that you need. Thanks for watching.